hands on my Note 9. Literally just got my hands on it. I ordered this, I think I ordered it sometime last week, and I was pretty surprised that it came in so quick. I was expecting delays and all that kind of good stuff. So this is a free AKG headset that comes with the Note 9. I got the 128 version of the Samsung Note with the yellow pen, so that means I got the blue. And this is, let's go ahead guys and open this up. So right on the box it tells you all what are coming here. The Samsung Note 9, the S Pen, the wall USB charger, stereo headset, USB connector, quick reference guide, films and condition. That's what it's about. So your guide and your SIM card is in here. Your package, you have your stereo headset, your USB connectors, everything you need is coming in the box. You have your pen, to remove and replace the tip. You have your pen tool right here. AKG headset right in here, guys. So that's what comes in the box. Pull this apart. Here we go. And here's the device, guys. Nice in its glory. Really beautiful. So you can see I have my Note 8 right here, and this is the Note 9 black and blue right here. If I just show you the front of this and the sides and everything like that, is practically the same. It's only when you look at the back and you see where the fingerprint sensor is placed that you will kind of really know which one is which, but they're basically the same. Underneath you can see the headphone jack is still there. You have your speaker grill right here, your mic, everything, your S Pens right here. If you look, everything look almost the same. At the top you can see the same thing too. Everything look almost the same. Your SIM card tray, your mic, and you also have stereo speakers. The only difference this year is that you're gonna have stereo speakers, 2 stereo speakers instead of 1 like last year. So I'm gonna set this up, get all my stuff on there, and I'll let you guys check this out.
You'll never have me sacred time.